So, you're trying to make a Shopify, one product, one click checkout, Shopify dropshipping store. Well, you've come to the right place. This is by far the easiest video that will get you a working Shopify dropshipping store. So without further notice, let's go to the study and let's get working on this store. And what we need to do is we need to get some apps to run on our store. First app you want to get is called Luke's Reviews. It is $9.99 for a whole month. But once again, you have a 14 free day trial. So if you do cancel any time before the 14 days, you get it for free. After that, you want to go back to home, browse Shopify dropshipping apps and search Instant Checkout. Now this is the app we want. The only downside to this app is that it's only a 3-day trial. Although it's only $4 for a month. Normally people also use an app that transfers the data from AliExpress onto your Shopify store. Although I personally don't use apps like that, I just copy and paste it and then change the words in the description myself. So now you want to go to customize theme. You come here to add theme and visit theme store. Now the theme you want to search is refresh. This one right here is what we will be using for the website today. Try theme. Once you do scroll down, you will see that it is loading. You just need to wait for it to load and shortly after you can add it to your store. Once it is done, you do just want to click publish. So just click customize and now it brings you to this page here. So to start off, I have changed up this left side here and I will show you exactly what I have done. So with the slideshow, you want to have two not showing. So how you do that, you just click the not showing button, but you still have one. You get rid of the featured collection. You have a featured product here. How you do that is you scroll to the bottom, add a section and click featured product. After you've done that, you just drag it up here using this. Under that, you will have an image with text and then have a multi-column. The thing with this multi-column, instead of having all 4 showing, you want to only have 2 showing. Remove the image with text, remove another image with text, the featured collection, rich text. Remove all of them. Now, there will be an image with text up here. What you want to do is you want to drag it down under the rich text. You want to have the multi-column showing, but only have 1 showing instead of all 4. Hide the blog post and also hide the email sign up. After you've done that, your website should look something like this. After that, you want to go to colors. Now, something you want to take into consideration when choosing the color is the product of your color, because these colors will overall be the colors for your page. Now you go to accent 2 and you change this to a dark grayish color. You want to copy this code right here, scroll down to text, change it to the same code, and scroll down to outline button and change that to the same code. Remember, this is my example, so you don't need to use the exact same colors as me. The gray I do prefer you using, but with accent 1, change that color to the color that represents your product. Now onto the page. You want to come to announcement bar and go to welcome to store and provide them a discount. So straight away, I just write ending soon, 60% off. So they come in the store and straight away see that there is a discount. Now with the header, you're probably thinking, how do I make this look better? Now what you want to do is go to a website called Canva. They do provide you with either a free trial, you can use it for free but have limited access, or you can pay for an account. What you do here is you come click create a design, custom size, and just put 500. You come to these elements, click the square, and now what you want to do is you go back to your website, come to the color theme, get the accent 2 color code and put it in this color code here. So now the background for your page would look like that. For this example, I will be doing something pretty plain, although you can use your creativity and create something a lot better. Here, I have downloaded some text. You can download text if you want. For this one, I'm just going to use Arista Pro Trial Fat and just put LED boxes. Now with this text here, you want to go back to your website, get the accent 1 color code, color that, go to the color for this, and then put in that code here. So now it will look something like this. You won't save it, you'll take a screenshot and you just hover over it like this. Why we're doing this is because if you save it, the proportion on your website will look completely wrong and the logo will be very small and you won't even be able to read it. Once you do all of that, you can come back to your website, go to default logo, change, select image, and you have to add in your image here. As you can see, ours is right here. You just click that and you got your logo right there. You click select, and what I like to do is just put this all the way up to 250. So now it looks something like this. Once you do that, you get out and you go to slideshow and you click on this one right here and select an image. I do recommend before you start making your website, get all of your images ready and upload it to this part right here. I do highly recommend that you get GIFs as well. The way you can get GIFs is you just write in your product on Google and you put GIFs at the end. Go to images and you have a whole bunch of GIFs here. Boom. Now I've added all of my GIFs or images in here. For the top part, I like to use a GIF purely just because it grabs the customer's attention. Here for the heading, you want to write something that will entice your audience. Since I'm using a Galaxy Star projector, I will write, turn any room into your own personal galaxy. Get rid of the subheading, and instead of it saying shop now, make it say buy now. Now with the button link, you click it, and you want to go to products. You see here, there's no products. So now we step back from our website, make sure you save, exit, and then go to products. Now you want to go to AliExpress and find your product. Once you have found your product in AliExpress, you come back to your ad product, you write in your product name. This is a Galaxy projector. What I like to do after the name is go write TM, click on this one, bonnermark.com. You want to double click this TM sign, go back to your products and paste it right there. For your description, you come to your product, you just scroll down, you read, show star projector. Yep. This is a bad example. Normally they would have a lot more information. You can either copy and paste and change it up a little, or you can write your own description for it. This is the description I came up with. Now, for media, you can go to your AliExpress supplier and you can screenshot these images simply just by either going here, right-clicking Save Image As, although you will need to message your supplier and make sure that you have their permission to use their images. However, a better way I like to do this is to get an image, put it into Canva, and put your own label on it. For the sake of this video, I have done this prior, so this is how the image looks. Although if you would like a detailed video on how you can brand your own products, make sure to let me know down in the comments below and I will make a video for you guys. Now you come down to price. What you want to do is you want to look around for your competitors and see where they are pricing their product at. And with that, you will want to lower your price so you have a greater chance at selling your product. For this, I'll put $36.99. Make sure you always end your product in 99, as it is a psychological trick on making people more enticed to buy your product. For the compare it price, this is a number that makes your item look like it's on sale. So for this example, I'm just going to put $99.99. Do not charge tax. Make sure you're not tracking the quantity. This is a physical product, and that is about it. You just click save. It's that easy. Now you see your product here. You go back to your online store. Now what you want to do is you go back into your slideshow, go to button link, click products, and now you see your Galaxy projector product or whatever product you're using. Show container on desktop. Do not show it, just so it has a cleaner view and it just shows the writing and then the buy now. Once you do that, you go back. You come down to your featured product, click select product, and now you can select your Galaxy projector. Boom. What I like to do is I like to remove this little text up there, and I also like to remove the share button there. Now we go down to image with text, select image, and you select any image that you would like. Now with this information, how you will obtain it is going through your AliExpress suppliers or looking over your competitors selling this product as well. Now make sure you do not plagiarize any content. It's fine to copy the information over, but make sure you put it in your own words. For this product, on the heading, I'll write changing colors and make this medium. Here you will put a description about the heading that you wrote. This thing changes colors. Obviously, with your website, you will go into a lot more detail. I'm just trying to make this fast so you guys know how to make a website. With the color scheme, you want to change it to background 1, just so it looks a lot more cleaner. After that, you come to the shop button, you write buy now, and then same thing, get your product and put your product on that button. Now it will change the button color to your accent 1 color. Once you've done that, you go to the multi-column, straight away scroll down to the color scheme and change it to accent 2. Come down on the mobile layout. This is very important because most of your customers will be on mobile. You change this to 2 columns. What I like to do is change the bottom padding to 24 and the top padding to 24 also, just so it looks something like this. With the number of columns on desktop, you want to change it to 2. Now that we're here, you click on each individual column. Now, once you've done that, you want to click on the individual column, select image, and you will want to use icons. You're probably wondering, how do I get my icon to look like this? I will try explain this as quick as I can. For example, for the lock, you go to image, right lock, icon. Click on images, go to tools, color, transparent. Now you see this, you want to save this as image. You go to Canva, create a design, custom size, 500, create new design. Get the square, make it the full page, change the color to your background color, which should be that initial gray, put the lock there and screenshot it. Once you've I did forget to tell you, you can only change the color through Photoshop. Anyways, back to the video. Once you've done that, you just add in your icons here. Now with this one, you get rid of the heading and then you write secure checkout. Then this one, you put a tick, remove the heading and you can write money back guarantee. Now with this image to text here, you will want to do the exact same as up here. Choose an image or GIF, make the title relative to the image and write a description about what the image is showing. This could be just a cool fact about the product, just a really good selling point that would make the customers want to buy the product. For this example, I will not be doing it to save time. After you've done that, you come down to the multi-column here. Number of columns on desktop, 1. Change the color to accent 1, come back up. Now you get rid of the description. In the heading, you write the sale you're offering. Now you're probably looking at it, why does it look like that? You click on multi-column, you come down, and then with the top padding, I like to, again, put it at roughly 24 and the bottom padding 24 also, just so it is equal on each side. With the footer, we will leave that till the very end. Now we move on over to the product page. First thing you want to do is go here, remove this text and remove this share button. Now you want to come down here, add block, add collapsible row, and you want to add 3 of them. Make sure you save your website, click exit, go to products, click on your product page and copy the description you have wrote. Go back to your online store, go to your product page, and now you go to the first collapsible row. Change this heading to description. And you want to copy and paste your description that you have. Come to this icon and change it to a clipboard. I'm going to go to this collapsible row and write what is included. Change this icon to a box. And in this, you want to put what is included when you order your product. Where you can find this is if you go to your AliExpress website, you scroll down on the description and it will tell you what is included in the box once you purchase it. With this supplier here, they don't have it written out what is included, although they do have a photo of everything that comes in the box. You get this photo, you go to here and you write what is included. After that, you go to the last collapsible row, you change this heading to money back guarantee. Leave this as a check mark. Now what you should have is something written out like this. Here at your company's name, we take customer satisfaction very seriously. If you are unsatisfied with the quality of your product, please contact us. And then you put the Gmail that you created originally. After you do that, you come here and make sure you hide the original description. Now you should have something that looks like this. When you click it, it shows your description, what's included, and your money back guarantee. Now, once you come here, you want to hide your collapsible content, product recommendation, rich text. Move this multi-column all the way down under the email sign up, come back up, hide the rich text and hide the email sign up. With these image with text, you want to do exactly what you did on the first page, although you will notice that there's one extra slot. With this extra slot, you just put in additional information to your product with the photo or gift of your choice. For an example, I will put this one, select, change this to make any room your personal galaxy. And you want to leave the heading size to medium. Go back, click on information, and you'll want to write up a description that suits the photo and also the title. Once you do that, since you are on the product page, you would want to hide the buy now button. It is up to you. You can leave the buy now button there, but once they do click on it, it will just bring them back to the exact same page that they're on. I personally think it looks a lot more cleaner without the buy now button. After that, you come here, you change this background scheme to background 1, just so it gets rid of that white bubble. Once again, you can play around with the section padding. I personally just like to put them at 24, 24, although it is completely up to you. play around with a couple settings and see what suits your liking the best. Once you do that, you'll want to copy the exact same steps and implement them for these to image with text. To make it easier on yourself, just copy the exact same ones that you used in the home page. Most of your customers will be coming from mobile. To view that, you just click on this icon up here, click on mobile, and you can scroll through and see how it looks like. Obviously with these, you will have put in your own information and then it will show this. Sometimes it may look like this and a bit distorted. How I fix this is instead of using capitals, you just capitalize the first letter of each word. Now you can see it fits a lot better. Obviously, if you do this, change the other one so it looks more clean. Now you'll notice that there's a review widget here, but it has nothing. What you want to do is you want to save your website, exit, go to your apps down here and click on Luke's product reviews. You'll say, welcome to Luke's. You just continue, and I don't personally have that. Neither do I have this. Perfect. Now it says you're all set. You click on import now. Now what you want to do with this is just hold it and drag it right to your bookmarks bar up here. You go to the AliExpress supplier that you're supplying your product from. You click this bookmark and it'll come up with this. You can either do 20 reviews or 100. What you do here is you select your Galaxy product. That will be the product page that you made. Click on 4 stars and up, reviews from all countries, translate to English, and you want to click on only reviews with photos. Now you review and import. When you're reviewing it, you want to make sure that the text that the customer left makes sense in English. Sometimes when it translates other languages to English, it doesn't make sense at all. You can only choose one photo to review on your website. Like this, since there is no really good photo, you just click reject. Make sure that the photos you choose will look appealing on your website. Once you've imported a good amount of reviews, you just click finish importing. Import complete, you X. And now, first thing you'll notice is it has stars here, and you scroll down and you will have your reviews here. One thing I do like to do, theme settings, colors, and you get your accent one color. Go back to the app, settings, branding, general appearance, and you just paste that color in there. It saves automatically. Now you go back to your online store, your product page, and you will notice that your star rating color has changed. If you go back to your home page, one thing you do realize is that on your home page, it doesn't show the ratings. How you can fix this is you go back to your app, you go to settings, display reviews, star rating reviews, and on this side here, it will pop up with a help bar. You scroll down and here it says homepage featured product. You get this code, copy the whole thing, and here it says you want to put it right under the product title. Now this may look a bit hard for some people, but let me tell you, it is a lot easier and I will show you how to do it. Once you've copied that code, you go back to your online store, click on these 3 dots, edit code, go to sections and write product. Now you see featured product liquid. Click on that. Now you scroll down until you see product title. You come down to where it says H2, click enter and paste that code that you just got in. You save this, and now if you preview your store, you will see that your ratings are now on the home page. Now we come back to the footer on our website. You go to this image, you select the image, and you select the logo that you made. You save, and once again, change this image width to the highest that it can go. Now you have your logo here. With our mission, you change this title to contact us, and then just write, if any inquiries, please contact us at ledsbox.com@gmail.com. Obviously, that's going to be the email that you created. You go back, you hide the about, and now you're just left with the shop. What you want to do is save, exit, and go to pages. Now you want to add a page called terms of service, save, refund policy, save, shipping and delivery, and lucky last, contact us. And you want to remove this one that says contact. Now you have these 4 pages. I'd like to give a shout out to the Ecom King, because without him, this would not be possible. But if you go down to the comments, you will see a shared doc link. That will provide all the information that you'll put into these pages. For example, if we go to terms and conditions, you go to that doc that the Ecom King made, you copy the terms and conditions sections, and you paste it right into this page. Now, if you go through there will be parts that you will need to change information. After you do that for each one, you just save it. Since I'm trying to be as fast as I can for you guys, I will not be doing it for each one. Lastly, you want to go to navigations and you want to click on footer menu. Now you delete this search You click on this link, click on pages, and add each individual one that you made. Save it, go to main menu, and delete these two. First thing you do is add one, write shop, and then your product name, and make sure to add the TM again. Click on the link, product pages, and click on your Galaxy projector. Add. The second one you want to add is track your parcel or track your order. With this, you want to copy and paste this exact link and you just click this. Add, and lucky last, you want to add a contact us. With this, click on this, go to pages and click on your contact us page and add. Now the very, very last step that you will need to do, which is the icing on the cake, is you go to apps, you go to instant checkout, you want all of these selected and you want to change your background color to the accent one color that you have on your store. Go up here, click actions, contact us, enter your name, your shop name, your email, and what you want to write here is, hi, I am having issues with applying the buy now button to my store. Please contact me at, and then the Gmail that you made at the start, and you click send. Once you send that, the developers of this app will get in contact with you. What they will do is request access to your store. They'll quickly go in, edit the code, and put the buy now button on your homepage and on your product page. Once you've done all of this, your website should be done. If you followed all of my steps correctly, this is how your website should look. You got your hyperlinks up here, your main GIF or image that you used with your title that you also used as well, your product page, which the buy now button is there. If you do click the buy now button, it brings you directly to the checkout page. After that, you scroll down, you see your image and text here, your little icons here, image and text again, 60% off sale ends tonight, and your reviews at the bottom. Your footer here, we have all of your hyperlinks that thankfully to the Ecom King, he has made this possible. You have your contact us, and your icon here. If you were to click Shop Galaxy Product Buy Now, this will bring you to your product page. You have your product here. If you're wondering why I have 3 separate products, this website is used for another video of mine where I test out dropshipping a saturated product. If you're interested with those results, you can go watch that video after you finish this one. Once you scroll down, you see your 3 image with texts, your little icons, and your reviews. Now that's it. Your website should be done. If there's anything that you're confused about, make sure to comment it down below and I will make sure to reply to you and help you guys out. If this video did help you, it will be greatly appreciated if you could like this video. It means a lot more than you would think. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.